832 and 824. The gator eats the one that's worth more. He looks at the place values from left to right. It's the greatest hundreds place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 355 and 332. The gator needs to eat the one with the greater value. He looks at the place values from left to right. 5's the greatest tens place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 145 and 149. The gator needs the greater value on the number line. He looks at the place values from left to right. 9's the greatest ones place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. Now the numbers are the same on both sides. The gator wants to eat, but he can't decide. Neither is greater or less, it's a perfect tie. So the alligator writes an equal sign. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. If there's a line underneath the greater than sign, greater than or equal to is how the sign is defined. I'll write a line underneath the less than sign, and less than or equal to is the name of the design.
Hi there. I'm an alligator, so let's keep this snappy. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you that the greater than symbol goes from big to small, and it's called the greater than symbol. The less than symbol goes from small to big, and it's called the less than symbol. The larger number always goes on the open side of the angle. For example, this reads as 50 is greater than 10. And this is read as 10 is less than 50.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
Hello, good morning class. Welcome to our 6th P2 math lesson. Today's date is Tuesday, 9th of June. Okay, today we will talk about comparing numbers. It means to see what is bigger. If we compare two numbers, we see which one is bigger, which one is smaller. So we have some pictures we have to learn. We think of this like an alligator. Something wants to eat. He wants to eat the bigger number. So this is greater than. It means bigger. So look here. 9 is greater than 2. He is hungry. He wants to eat the big number. 9 is greater than 2. Or bigger. 9 is bigger than 2. That's greater than. Eat the big number. this way. If we go this way, is less than or smaller. So 4 is less than 15. 4 is smaller than 15. He wants to eat the big number. He is hungry. He eats 15. 4 is less than 15. And the last one is equals. It means the same, right? 6 equals 6. 6 equals 6. 6 is the same as 6. Two numbers, the same, 6 and 6. Also, we use it like this. 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is the same as this. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. So we use this to show, is it bigger, is it smaller, or is it the same, right? We can show that. So, let's first take out this paper for June 9th. It says, color the box with the smaller number. So we have to think smaller. Smaller is less than. So let's look. 12 and 13. Which one is smaller? 12 is smaller, it's lower. So we color. If we want to use a mouth, we eat 13. 13 is bigger. 12 is less than 13. Let's look at 5 and 7. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller, so we color 5. If we want to use an alligator, we eat 7. 7 is bigger. 5 is less than 7. Okay, we have 10 and 9. We want the smaller number. Which one is smaller? 9 is smaller. If we want to use the alligator, we go this way. Eat the big number. 10 is greater than 9. Next, 8 and 3. Which one is smaller? Which one is less than? 3 is smaller. 8 is bigger, so we eat the 8. 8 is greater than 3. Or 8 is bigger than 3. The next one, 6 and 4. Which one is smaller? Smaller. 4 is smaller. Colored 4. If we use the alligator, we eat the 6. 6 is greater than 4. Good, this was smaller. This one I want larger or bigger. Larger or bigger. So let's look. 6 and 9. Which one is bigger? I think 9 is bigger. If we use the alligator, we eat the 9. Eat the big number. Eat the 9. Next, 15 and 14. Which one is bigger? 15 is bigger. So we use the alligator to 15. Eat 15. 15 is larger than 14. And 5. Which one is bigger? 10 is bigger. Use the alligator. Eat the 10. 10 is greater than 5. Next is 10 and 11. Which one is bigger? 11 is bigger than 10. So we eat the 11. 11 is greater than 10. And the last one for this sheet, 5 and 8. 8 is bigger, so we eat the 8. We are hungry. We want the big number. Good. That was just to look what is bigger or smaller. Now the next page. We will finish this together as well. Okay, part 1. We have one more symbol that I forgot to tell you about. We have equals, which means they are the same, and we have this one, equals with a line. That means it is not equals. Not equals. It is not the same, right? We can say six equals 6. 6 is the same as 6. But if I have 12 and 15, those are not the same. So I say they are not the same. This is the same, equals. This is not the same, not equals. So let's see this. 186. This side I have 100 plus 86. So let's do that. 100 plus 86. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 8, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. This is 186. Is this the same? Yes, they are the same. 186 equals 186. Or 186 is the same as 100 plus 86. B, we have 482 and 428. The tens place is different. So they are not equals, not the same. 482, 428, not the same. This, part C, 648 and 864. They are not the same. They are different. And D, 800 plus 20 plus 5, is it the same or not the same as 825? I have to plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. 5 plus 0, 0. 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 0, 8. So this is 825. Is that the same? Yes. 825 is the same as 825. That is easy. Just tell me equals, not equals, the same, or not the same. Okay, and part 2. We have to use the alligators. Eat the bigger number. Is it greater than? Or is it less than? The alligator wants to eat the big number. So look at A. 321, 302. The hundreds is the same. Let's look at the tens. 10, 10. 20 and 0. Which one is bigger? 20 is bigger. So 321 is greater than 302. Remember, we eat the big number. The big number, we want to eat all of it. Okay, B. 418, 634. Look at the hundreds. 6 is bigger than 4. So the alligator wants to eat the big number. Eat the 600. So 418 is less than 634. Okay, C. 720, is that bigger or smaller than 668? Let's think. I think 720 is bigger. than 668. Okay, D, 256 and 719. I think 719 is bigger. So 256 is smaller than 719. Okay, E, 386 and 836. We want to eat the big number, so we eat 800. 386 is less than 836. Okay, F, 914 and 452. We eat the big number. 914 is greater than 452. Okay, G, 257 and 251. Let's see, the hundreds are the same. The tens are the same. So I have 7 and 1. Which one is bigger? The 7 is bigger. So 257 is bigger than 251. Okay, the last one. Letter H. I have 809 and 842. Which one is bigger? Which one do I want to eat? I want to eat 842. So 809 is smaller than 842. Okay, now you have to finish the rest of this work. The next page, you have to circle. Is it equal? Not equal. The same? Not the same. J, color the number which is smaller. I want you to color the smaller number. And part K, I want you to make the alligator greater than or less than. Eat the big number. And the last page, we have tens and we have ones. You have to count them and tell me which one is bigger. This side bigger or this side bigger? Okay, we had a long class today. I hope everyone is okay. We will finish here. If there are any questions, you can ask me. And please finish your homework and bring it to school when we come for your file. Okay, thank you, class. I'll see you next week.
There was an alligator living in the swamp who'd sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
For more songs, games, and original stories, visit Brainsy.com.